Hey guys, thanks for tuning in and welcome to the channel. So today I just wanted to touch base on one of the videos I released a couple days ago about the FIMI X8 SE drone. And this was a video I took with my family. We hiked up to the Waihe'e Ridge Trail to the top of the trail here on Maui, Hawaii, and it was a rainy day. I just wanted to get some video up there. The video I posted was completely raw video, but I wanted to show you an example of how you can kind of alter your video from being kind of washed out to kind of a little bit more vivid and more detail by adding a LUT. That's a lookup table. So I'm going to go ahead and play the video again, and what I've done is the first quarter about of each clip is just the raw video from the FIMI X8 SE drone, and then what I've done is I've added the Contrail 35 free LUT I downloaded from the internet in my editing software, just to show you how it's kind of really easy just to put like a configuration on your video, maybe to make it a little less washed out. Of course, you could always just adjust all the video settings if you wanted to, but that can get kind of complicated. So just slapping on a LUT or a LUT is kind of an easy way to change your video preferences. So in this video, of course, it's in the rain, it's really cloudy, but it's going to show you quite a bit of difference in the contrast and detail. Go ahead and comment in the description down below what your opinion is on the change in each clip and if it looks better to you or worse. So go ahead and let it play, and again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy.
I remember days when we were younger. We used to catch opu in the mountain stream. Round the Coastline hills we'd ride on horseback. So long ago it seems it was a dream. Last night I dreamt I was returning, and my heart called out to you. But I fear you won't be like I left you. Make aloha ku home o kahalu. I remember days when we were wiser, when our world was small enough for dreams, and you have lingered there, my sister, and I no longer can, it seems. Last night I dreamt I was returning, and my heart called out to you. aloha kuhome o ka halu. Find yourself or make you lose your pride. Move with it slowly as on the road we go. Please do not hold on to me, we all must go alone. I remember days when we were smiling, when we laughed and sang the whole night long. And I will greet you as I find you, with the sharing of a brand new song. Last night I dreamt I was returning, and my heart called out to you to please accept me as you find me. Ke aloha kuhome o ka halu. Ke aloha kuhome o ka halu. Ke aloha kuhome o ka halu.